Hey guys, it's me, Christina. That doesn't make any sense. Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing a very, very fun video for you guys today. I don't do these type of crazy videos very often, but I am taking every single foundation in my drawer, and I'm going to show you a picture of every single foundation, and putting one pump into my tiny mason jar, and then applying all of my foundations to my face. Now, I don't know how this is going to turn out. I don't know how I'm going to look, how I'm going to feel, but I am going to wear it and check in a little bit and see if it ran off my face, if I broke out in acne. I mean, I don't know. Anyways, just stay tuned for the video. Oh, and before you leave to watch that video, please push that subscribe button and that little bell next to it. Look, so I poured them all in. I put one dot. Look at that. That looks like poop. So can we just acknowledge that I have a little bit of a problem? This is what it looks like, guys, as you saw in the picture. It looks really ugly and it looks like poop. I'm going to put the poop emoji right there for the thumbnail. But let's go ahead and mix this up and see what it is. So I just got the end of a brush here and I'm just going to mix. You guys could see that my color, I actually use like nudes and naturals and buff colors, buff natural, things like that. This is mixing up interesting because it's kind of like still a little bit chunky, which I didn't use any of the stick foundations. I just specifically used my liquid, and some of this is not blending together. Like the Rimmel London, that foundation that you saw in the picture, it doesn't really do, like their concealer, for example, doesn't do well with other foundations. So I'm kind of wondering if this is going to work, or if it's not, because some foundations just don't do good with other products. That's the smoothest I could get it. So I'm going to go ahead and just pin my hair back. Okay, let's go in. You can see I have a tremendous amount of red pigment in my skin. Just kind of wipe the brush is clean. I kind of just wiped it off. And then should I use the brush? I'll use the brush on this side and then the beauty blender on this side. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. I think I am very full coverage. Like really full coverage. Okay, beauty blender time. I just dipped it to get a little bit of extra product. I think it's a little bit too much product right there. Okay, guys, what do you think? Look at this. I'm like very full coverage, but it's kind of ironic. It's like a absolute perfect match, because some of these foundations were either too light or a little bit too dark, and by mixing them all together, it looks freaking great. But I don't like the way that the brush went on because it looks a little bit streaky, so I'm just going to kind of pat this throughout to kind of like set it better, because I like how the beauty blender looks. But look at the sheen to my skin there. Look at the youthful glow. I'm going to check back in a few hours and tell you guys, does this actually work? Does it stay on your skin? I don't know. We will see in a minute. Okay, guys, so we are doing a check-in after about 4 hours. Karen, the kiddos are in the back. Zoomies hiding right there somewhere. Say hi, Zoomie.
Hi.
Anyways, we're going to ask Karen. So, how does my foundation look? Fabulous. Does it? Yeah. You know, this is the 20 foundations.
How long have you had it?
4 hours.
Nice.
This is the 20 foundations I mixed together. 20 plus, I think it was.
Yes, but my favorite part is her eyeshadow.
Yeah, she thinks she thinks I should do more colors this year.
Yes.
You guys tell me if you think I should do more colors or if you like me more in the neutrals. But getting back to the foundation, how's it look?
I like it. It's not too, well, it is for me for a BB nighttime look.
Yeah, give a thumbs up, Dylan.
I like it.
my future YouTuber right there.
Right there. But it's nice. I like it. But I think it'd be better if you go like nighttime on that one.
I'm like a YouTube Minecrafter. I'm YouTube Minecraft.
He's a YouTube Minecrafter. Ooh. But like she says, it looks great, but it is totally full coverage. But the color match was perfect.
Yes. 22 or 20?
20 or 22, some crazy
goodness.
thing like that. Anyways, if you guys could give this video a thumbs up, I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.